Hi guys, and welcome back to Chandler's Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious banana nut bread. Stick around and I'll show you the recipe. And here I'm just adding my bananas to my bowl, and I'm going to get those mashed up a little bit before I start adding the rest of my ingredients. Now add your egg into your mashed bananas and your mayonnaise or mayo, and just get that mixed up. Now get those edges scraped down just to make sure everything's well incorporated. And just give that a mix again. Continue mixing. Now it's time to add in our vanilla extract and get that mixed in really well. And next we're going to add our dry ingredients, which consist of flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. And we're going to get those dry ingredients sifted into the wet mixture. Now we're going to get that mixed up. And here I'm just stopping to get the sides scraped down so I can get all that dry ingredient incorporated into the wet mixture. And we're going to mix again. I will be sure to leave the recipe with all the measurement and ingredients in the description box. And last but not least, I'm going to add my pecans to this mixture that I have chopped up. Feel free to add any type of nuts you may want. Walnuts is also another good one, so make it how you like it. And here I have greased and floured my 9x5 pan, and I'm just going to get my mixture added to that. And I'm going to get this in my oven for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And look at this, y'all. Yummy, moist, and delicious. Give this recipe a try. I promise you will like it and you will not regret it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.